Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to get verified on TikTok, getting blue badge on TikTok. So if you want to request your verification, then it's pretty easy. All you have to do is submit the following or meet basic requirements here, enter account details, show notability. But if after doing this, then still haven't got the blue badge, then it's about time to report a problem. So to do that, you have to open your TikTok, go to your profile, tap these three lines at the top right corner, and then scroll down till you see settings and privacy. So you have to click settings and privacy, and then under settings and privacy, you have to locate and tap this account right here. Now what you're going to do here is to simply switch to personal. So you have to switch your account to personal. And then after you have switched your account to personal and you are now using your personal account or main account here on TikTok, you have to scroll down and look for report a problem. You have to wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing. Now here, tap this account and profile, scroll down and click this profile page right here below editing profile. Once you tap this one, then it will take you directly to this page. And what you're going to do is to scroll down and click this other right here. And then you can now read this, but you can also scroll down and look for need more help. And then here, you're allowed to describe the issue that you are dealing. For example, I have 100,000 followers or 1 million subscribers or followers, but then again, I still haven't got the badge. So you can just simply describe your main issue here. After that, you have to tap send and then wait for the customer service team to respond to this matter. And maybe they will tell you the instruction and how to verify or how to get this blue badge on TikTok or instruct you other method and how to simply verify your account. As easy as that. So if you have found this video helpful or if you want to suggest something, please do comment down below and please do like and subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next video tutorials.